The Pictory website is huge. It does all the work for you, meaning you simply enter the script and it automatically finds small videos and makes them into one single no-face video. Let's see how it works. Let's go to Pictory.ai, where you can sign up for free to test it, and there's also a paid version for more features. I will select Script to Video and paste the script. Then click Proceed, and from the template library, I will select a template to use in terms of captions. You can, of course, have those disabled as well, but for this example, I will pick one of them for you to see the end result. I will then choose the aspect ratio because, yes, you can do shorts or reels types of videos as well. In a few seconds or minutes, depending on your script, you will have an auto-generated video based on our script. And boom, a full video auto-generated by AI. From here, you can change or remove the background music, add their own voiceover, and you can edit the text or other elements. You can do anything that you want. Once finished, click Generate, and there you go. Another AI website that does this is called Flicky, Flicky.ai. You can generate the audio only or the video with audio. This website works in the same way. You add the script, and it auto-generates the voice and video. Test both of them for free and see if AI can help you with your automation YouTube business. See you in the next class.